Hey there, I'm Deb and welcome to today's video, which is all about 5 steps to an easy tox-free cleaning routine. But before we go any further, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you can be a part of all of the new tips, recipes and ideas that come out with these videos from the Tox-Free family. Okay, so let's get right into it. I will be honest with you, I do not love cleaning. There are not many people I know that also love cleaning. So to have a routine that's really easy and helps look after your family's health is an absolute bonus for me. So first of all, tip number 1 is to make sure that you've got your tox-free products ready. And with this particular tip, I have become aware that there are a number of products and companies that are actually doing what's called greenwashing, and they will label their products as toxic free or green. That's a popular label. And yet when you look at the ingredients, it might look pretty. It might actually say fragranced with essential oils, or it might just have the word fragrance. But what you've got to do is really dig deep and dirty and make sure you go Google the dangers of the ingredients in your products. Even some products that are saying that we offer a completely toxic-free clean. I'm not going to mention any particular company names because I don't want to diss anyone, but I want you to become proactive in knowing what is in your products, because there have been some that even if there's just been one active ingredient, I've gone and Googled it and I have not been happy with the side effects and the issues that that creates for the health of my family. So step 1 is to make sure you do have toxic-free ingredients and do your research. Now, on top of that, we actually are offering a 21 Detox Your Home challenge. So if you don't want to go into all the research of which chemicals you need to be looking out for, which products are going to be dangerous and which ones are going to be healthy, then this Detox Your Home challenge is exactly what you need, because all the research is going to be done for you and you're going to get a blow-by-blow, walk you through it step by step, whatever you want to call it, and then it's going to go through room by room of your home so that you can go through the process of making sure you're using clean ingredients that are really clean in your home. So that's tip 1, is to make sure you've got your tox-free products. The second tip is, and by the way, if you want to join the Toxic Free Tribe, there will be a link at the bottom of this video, or if you're following the blog, you can catch the link on the blog post as well. So tip number 2 is to have your DIY products already pre-made. So don't rock up to your cleaning day and think, okay, oh, I've got to make my scrub and I've got to make my oven cleaner. Have that all pre-prepared, because for me, that's just a massive roadblock of going, nah, I'm avoiding doing my cleaning today, just another job I have to do. Make it easy for yourself and have any DIY products pre-made, well labeled, and then that leads me to tip number 3, which is have all your products and supplies in the room ready, as in always in that particular room. So have a little shelf or a little cupboard that is just for those cleaning supplies and products that you need for that room. So for example, in my bathroom, I have my toilet spray, I have my shower cleaner and scrub, I have the sponges and squeegees that I want for my shower and bathroom. In the laundry, same deal. I've got my stain removers ready, I've got my cloths, I've got my scrubbers, I've got brooms, whatever I want for my laundry in that, and same with the kitchen. So that is tip number 3. It just makes the job so much easier. And this is why, because tip number 4 is that whenever you are in that room, do one of the jobs. Do a little cleaning task, because I don't know about you, but the worst thing about cleaning is having this massive big task that's going to take you an hour or so, and because you've left it so long and it is now a big job, you've got to work doubly as hard to get it clean. So this tip helps make your job easier and quicker. So what you're going to do is, say for example, in the shower, you finish having your shower, instead of just going and getting yourself dry and getting dressed like you normally would, have your spray and your squeegee ready. When you just before you hop out, give it all a quick spray, squeegee it down, and that helps prevent soap scum from building up and keeps those glass and tiles looking a lot cleaner for a lot longer. Same deal with the toilet, same deal with the laundry, and just be able to do one little job every time you're in that room, and it will cut down your cleaning time by heaps. Okay, and finally, tip number 5 is to make yourself a list of tasks for each room and have it sitting there on a little bit of paper or laminated card near your cleaning supplies so that you don't have to think about what little job you should be doing while you're in that room, and it will make it so much easier for you. If you really want some good DIY recipes, then don't forget to grab your DIY recipe guide. I'll have the link at the bottom of this video so that you can get straight into some really easy cleaning tips and routines for your family. Hope you've enjoyed it, and we'll catch you next time. Thanks everyone.